Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, we are going to make mango, banana, and milk smoothie. It's going to be healthy and delicious. And just stay with me as I put everything together and we'll see how it tastes like. Alright, so today's video I'm going to make, this is going to be one banana that we are going to be using. And we are going to use one mango. I'm just going to use half of this mango. And we have one milk, which we are going to use. All right, so I am going to just take the banana and take all the skins and all the strings that comes with it. Make sure I don't have any strings in the smoothie. I'm gonna just scrape it all off. And this is a very ripe banana. We've been it ripe, then it's gonna make our smoothie very sweet, so we do not need to put in any sweetening. But as I always say, some people have their choice of putting some kind of sweetening in their smoothie. I just want mine to be natural. And so this is the mango is very ripe. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna cut this. And you can see I'm just gonna cut it like that, and I am going to cut it inside like that, this way. Okay, now I'm going to try and open it this way, and I'm just gonna pull it all out. So simple. Just peel all this out. It's gonna be delicious. With your smoothie, when you're making a smoothie, you wanna have all the ingredients very ripe. That way you have the natural sweetness from it. All right, so we are just going to use a half mango. All right, and then we are going to add one milk. As you can see, one milk is going in. And we are going to blend all that and see how it comes out. All right, so now I'm just going to blend this. All right, so our smoothie is ready. I'm going to take this off. And you can see the color of this smoothie. So creamy and so colorful. And now I'm just going to pour our smoothie here. Oh my goodness, look at this texture. This is so lovely. The colorful, and we are just going to give it a taste and see exactly how this comes out. So we just finished our healthy mango banana milk smoothie, and I'm gonna give it a taste. It looks yummy and colorful. This is amazing. It's so light, like there is nothing there. You taste the mango, the banana, and the milk, everything, and it's just creamy and sweet. It's not too sweet, but naturally sweet. And so I love this. This is so lovely and healthy because we do not add any sweetness to it. This is just the natural taste of all the ingredients we use. The milk with the vitamin D, the mango with the vitamins that it has, and all the bananas, everything mixed together. So healthy for our body. So when you're making your smoothie, that's how I make my smoothie. I don't add any sweetness to it. I make sure all the ingredients I use are very ripe, and it to produce all the natural sweetness that contains in the ingredient. And as you can see, the banana is very well ripe. The mango is very ripe because I boil them and keep them for a while for it to ripe very well before I use it. So everything is just combined together and makes this smoothie very delicious and healthy and very sweet. So very good and healthy for your body. I hope you can make this yourself and enjoy it. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also like, comment, share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me and I'll get back to you. As always, I thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Until my next video, I'll see you. Bye bye.